Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and today we're going to be doing a video about gimbals and sliders. Well, sliders in this case, but and we're going to be doing a comparison video, versus video, basically. So basically, let's start with the gimbal. So a gimbal is pretty simple. You just put your camera or phone in. And since I'm a mobile videographer, I will be using my phone. Even though I shoot these videos on a camera, I use my phone for most stuff. Like films, short films, that I use my phone for. But yeah, so we have, is our gimbal even powered on? Let's hope. Okay, so it's the gimbal is dead, but just so you know, the gimbal basically works like this, and it basically just stabilizes your foot. You can do like slider movements. You can do back and forth. You can do all right to left, left to right, whatever you want with a gimbal. Next, oh yeah, and also not all gimbals can be with a clip-on lens So like I have this clip-on lens for my smartphone, and some can have it on when you're shooting. Some can't. Let me check on this one. This one cannot for a wide-angle lens. When you do this with a wide-angle lens, you can see the gimbal. So that's why I don't want to use a wide-angle lens with this gimbal. So that's that. Now let's move on to the slider. Put this away. So slider. I'm gonna open the slider, and I definitely think the best thing to do first is to buy a gimbal, then buy a slider, because then I'll explain in a minute. But this is a slider. And if I put this mount on it, all you can do is you go side to side. If you want to go up and down, you have to do this, this, this. But if you actually put the gimbal on here, then you can do some cool stuff. And tilt up and down while sliding back and forth. But let's just see if this will work with the wide-angle lens on wide-angle clip-on lens. And this is a wide-angle, cheap $1 wide-angle lens from the Dollar Tree. It's definitely not the best, but yeah. Let's do this. I'm in video mode on my phone. Just in the camera app, no fancy apps. And now I'm looking to make sure there's no vignetting. Oops. But yeah, it's pretty good. It does distort it a little bit when you're moving, but without that, it's pretty good. If you just still tripod shot, it's pretty good. And the slider moves back and forth. That's what this does. A gimbal just keeps it steady. For a slider, you can put it on like a table like I am, or you can have it on a tripod. Which basically, instead of putting it on a table, it just puts it on like basically a long stick if you don't know what a tripod is. But yeah. So let me just put this lens cap on. Take the lens off. Yeah, and it's pretty easy to take apart. And this one that I'm using right here, I think it's called the Zekti Slider by Newer. I'm pretty sure it actually comes with a phone mount. This exact phone mount that I'm using right now. And it's not that good on phone cases. When you have a phone and it has a phone case, I recommend taking the case off, but I did not do that because I forgot. But it comes with this nice case. So yeah, I'll put that away later. I like them both. I would say get this before you get this. Then you get this, then you get this. And any gimbal will work with any slider. Just, yeah. This one's not motion controlled, which means it can do automated movements. But, yeah. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Well, just hit that bell for notifications. But a lot of people just say bell notifications. It's weird. Peace out.